You see it's extra big on the top? That is because of the bobo.
Shalom and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamar. I'm a Jewish Orthodox wife and mom living in Israel. And today I'm going to show you how we cover our hair in my Jewish Orthodox community living in Israel. So first, just a few things you need to know about hair covering in the Jewish community. So first of all, single girls do not cover their hair. This is a married woman thing. And there's a joke about someone who comes to his friend and says, I met this great girl, but I don't think she'll want me because she's too religious. And his friend says, why? Why is she too religious for you? And he says, well, she has a head covering. So no, this is only for married women. The norm for married women from long back till today has been to cover or at least to tie your hair in the back. How do we cover our hair? So this obviously has evolved over the years, and today there are so many different ways to cover your hair. The way you'll cover your hair probably depends on the exact community you're living in. Some communities, most of the women wear wigs, like for example in the Chabad, Lubavitcher, their custom is to wear wigs. My Jewish Orthodox, more religious Zionist community, we wear mostly scarves, and some people also prefer hats. The simple way that I do is I have what's called a rectangle scarf. There are a few different types of scarves. The most common one are the rectangular ones. Now to put on, we will use what's called a pas, which is something that we put on our head to make sure that it doesn't slip. So first we start with putting the pas on, and then we put the scarf. So I'll show you how we do it. So I have the pas on, and I start with the scarf. So I folded it, and I do half-half. I pull it in the back, and I do an X in the back. Now I want to make sure that this is as thin as possible, no bunches. So I go like that. And then I fold it. Now this is the side that's going to be on top. So I try to fold it like this. I do one side. Make sure that it's flat over here. And then in the back, I actually tie it in the back, tie it with an X, and then tuck it over and tuck it on this side. So this is the simple way that I like to cover my hair. It helps me get out in the morning. I do it super quick and I'm ready to go. My friend Moran is going to come over and show me some more advanced ways that you can cover your hair. So these are my scarves that I have. Some people have like 30 scarves. I have about maybe 8 scarves. These are rectangle scarves, and I like to wear it in that simple way. And these are some that my friend brought over that are a little bit fancier. This is ones that you would wear more on a festive, like a holiday or Shabbat. These are scarves, and this is special. This is triangle. So we're going to show you soon how to do the triangle one. And wow, this is really a special one. A lot of my friends love wearing all these really special ones for Shabbat. So we're going to show you this one also. And in order to use a scarf, 2 really important things that people use: the pas, so that the scarf doesn't flip, and the bobo, which my friend brought. I don't know how to use the bobo, but she'll show me how to use it. So I start the same way. I put it over. One side is a little bit longer than the other side. And then I tuck it in like that, from the in to the out, from the in to the out. Okay, so now what I do, I take this one over, and this side also over?
Yes.
Okay, now what do I do?
X.
I don't pull it over, I do an X on the top.
Yes. And then you tuck it in.
You tuck it in.
Like this. And put this
And,
on.
oh, so only one is tucked in and the other one isn't tucked in?
Yes.
Yo, Okay, so this is one style. Now we're going to show you how it looks when I put in the bobo to make it like bigger, and also it makes it not slip. So we're going to try the same one with a bobo. Okay, this is the bobo. You know, it's so cool. This is my first time doing a bobo. People won't recognize me. Oh my god, this is so cool. It's really big. Oh my god. Die. Oh my god, this is how it looks. Die, זה ממש מגניב. Okay, so now I take it, and the same thing, I do one long side. Do an X in the back, X on the top, that. This one I tuck in, the shorter one I tuck in. Yeah. This side stays.
in the back. Oh my god, it's so cool. Okay, so you see it's extra big on the top. That is because of the bobo. Okay, so now we're gonna do with this one. So we start off, the top is a little bit folded. Over here, we folded it a little bit so that'll be prettier. Back, back. Because there's a pattern in the back, so I make sure that the pattern here is flat. So I pulled it over and one.
סליחה. ואז את השני. ועכשיו את השני נכניס מתחת את זה מתחת לזה. אוקיי, ואז את זה אני מסדרת ומעבירה ככה.
Oh my god. This is so hard. Even Moan, this is really hard. This is crazy. Even I'm a different person. Wow. Now we're going to do the triangle one, which is a different one. That goes to the front.
ואז אני עושה את ה-X מאחורה, כאילו את
An
הסיכוי.
X, okay.
ומורידה את זה.
And you bring it back. פשוט ככה.
כן, יש כאלה שלוקחות
That's what I do. You just go like this. That's it.
יש כאלה שלוקחות את ה... פשוט איך שזה. כאילו לא... ככה. ואפשר לעשות כזה, כמו שעשינו מקודם. ואז את יכולה להכניס ככה.
משולש זה די קל יחסית.
חמוד וקל, ממש נחמד.
Moran is saying that the triangle is actually more expensive than the regular scarves that are a rectangle. So this is, oh my gosh, this is a triangle. This is so cool. It's like a ponytail. Okay, so this is one, it's also a rectangle scarf, but what's special is that you see it's a little bit more festive. She bought it on sale for about 50 shekels, but it could also come out to 100 shekels. Some people even buy for 200 shekels. So there's a whole, and she says even more. So there's a whole world around these. תקשיבי, באמת אני רוצה להתחיל. This she bought for a bar mitzvah. You see, it's very fancy fabric. Now there's, okay, this is a little bit shorter than this one.
את עושה X כאילו ככה.
An X with that one. Okay, so I did an X.
אוקיי, כן.
Okay, the short one.
את כאילו מכניסה. את יכולה להכניס ככה, או שאת יכולה לפרוס את זה ולהכניס קצת לצדדים.
שזה כאילו קוקו.
כן, זה נראית מסיכה נוצצת.
וואו, oh my gosh, יואו. וואי, זה גם ארוך כאילו, oh my god. The next one is a hat. Some people wear hats full-time, that's their main thing. Most of my friends and people in my community wear scarves like this, but I like to wear hats if I have to run downstairs to the bomb shelter, or if when I went to the hospital to give birth, so I wear a hat in the delivery room and everything. So this is just super simple. You just put the pas, and then you running to the bomb shelter, you just put it right on and you're good to go. Then the third type is wigs, which we didn't have. We don't wear wigs, but there are a lot of people that wear wigs, depends on your community. So that was it. We had the scarves, the hats, and wigs. Not too many of my friends wear wigs. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up.